Hello, my name is Calvin Mata, and I'll be recording this presentation for you on behalf of Group 7. And it's going to be about understanding parameters model. PA-SQL qualifies function and procedures as pass-by value and pass-by reference subroutine by the model of their formal parameters lists. PA-SQL supports three models: read-only, write-only, and read-and-write. The in mode is the default of this default and designates a formal parameter as read-only. Out mode designates a write-only parameter, and in-out mode designates a read-write parameter mode. Here's an example. Parameter mode. Comparing parameters modes. Here we have a little table. I'm just going to show you. I think you can have an idea. I'm just going to read a couple here, and so we can comprehend comparing parameters modes. So here's like we have in, out, and in and out. And default mode must be specified and out must be specified in out. Like in the middle, we have a formal parameter acts as a constant, and both of the others don't. So, and we have can be assigned as a default value. Out cannot be assigned as a default value, same as an in-out. In functions, pass-by value functions take in-only mode variables and don't let you see parameters as assigned targets. In procedures, at least one formal parameter must be defined as a read-only or read-write variable by using the out mode or in-out mode, respectively. Any in-mode formal parameters can have a default initial value. Like here we have our initial value pass function in. Pass-by value procedures. You can define procedures as pass-by value or pass-by references modules. A pass-by value procedure is an optimistic program when you make it autonomous. Unit with a compiler directive. A pass-by reference procedure is a pessimistic program, making a procedure an autonomous. Program unit with a compiler directive doesn't change its status as a pessimistic module. Procedures can create ACID compliant transitions that span multiple labels. It is possible that to inline program execution with compiler directive. And so we have, this is our presentation about, like we stated in the first slide, it's about understanding parameters in and out. Thank you very much.